to celebrate Brigid's Day, Lá Bhríde, which is on the 1st and 2nd of February, I'm going to show you how I made this crosóg Bhríde, a Brigid's cross. I used a ruler, scissors, pencil, cutting blade, tape, some thread or some twine, blue tack, and coloured card. You can also use coloured paper. So I have all the card stacked together and I'm measuring about 1/2 centimetre from the edge. And I'm cropping all the card at once. So you need 10 strips of paper to make the cross, so you can also do this one at a time or with a scissors. Alright, from here on it's a normal speed, and this shows you just how fast it is to make one of these. I picked out 10 strips of colour that I really like, and I set 2 of them aside. Then I bend the remaining strips of paper in half. So take the 2 pieces you set aside at the start and make a cross. I'm right-handed, so I'm holding it in my left hand, keeping it together with my left thumb and index finger. So I'm taking a piece of folded paper and wrapping it either side of the green strip of paper going to the right. Now turn your piece to the left. So same again. You want to put your folded strip of paper either side to the right of your thumb. And then turn to the left. And again, either side to the right of your thumb. Now I'm going to secure the back of the cross. If you're not sure which is the front or the back, if you put it down or something, just have a look and see which side has a square of colour in the centre. That's usually the front, but it's also art, so it's subjective, so the front and back is whatever side you want it to be. Place it front side down and tape the back. Now I'll tie up the ends. Measure up some long pieces of thread. Tie it once around the end and then wrap that around it a few times. Then tie a couple of knots. And then move to the next one. At this point you don't have to go to the left, but I do just to remind myself how to make them. And you can check to make sure they are roughly the same size and snip the edges of the cross. Make it nice and even. You can pop some blue tack on the back and stick it up on the wall. It's often placed over the front door inside your home, and it's said to protect your home throughout the year. And thank you so much for watching. Slán!